back to Tech Solutions. Do you have Microsoft Edge as your default web browser and you want to switch to Google Chrome? Then follow these steps. Before that, let me show you that on my laptop I have Microsoft Edge as my default web browser. How to check that? If you open any web link, if you click anywhere, it will open into your default web browser. So in my case, I'm going to click on this google.com and it will open that in my default web browser which I set on my laptop. So let me click on that, and you see it opened in Microsoft Edge. Now let's see how to switch to Google Chrome. Click on search or on start. You can see recently I searched for a control panel, so it's giving me an option as a control panel. If you don't see, just search for a control panel and click on it. Go to programs, click on default programs. The first option, set your default programs. Here we have all the list of different apps which we want to use as our default apps. So if you scroll down, there is an option for a web browser. So as we have seen, in my case already Microsoft Edge is my web browser, default web browser. If I click on this, it will give me different web browsers which are already installed on this laptop. So let's make Google Chrome as my default web browser. And now we can close this window, close this other window as well, and now let's see, and let's try to click on this google.com, and you see now it opened in a Google Chrome. This is how we can switch to Google Chrome from Microsoft Edge as your default web browser. Thank you friends for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel and keep supporting us.